only took Spanish twice in high school, which tells you I know my shit. Welcome back, everybody. It's your boy, Papa Francisco here with another Spanish 101 for you. Now, today's word is an insult. You know, a word you can add to your arsenal when you're stuck in a donkey show in Tijuana.
Yeah.
Trust me, pink guy, you don't want to go. Not worth it. Now, today's phrase is a pretty straightforward one. Now, let's say some frijole comes up to you at the bar and tries starting some shit. Well, you're gonna need an exchange to not sound like a fucking idiot. Now, right before the first punch is thrown, hit him with the old chinga tu madre. Nothing catches a Mexican off guard than white folk who can speak a little taco. Now, in the last video, we talked about yourself, and that was using the word yo. If you want to talk about somebody else, specifically somebody else's mother, you want to use the word tu. Now, repeat after me. Chinga tu madre. Chinga tu madre. Which translates to fuck your mother.
Chinga tu madre.
Good job, pink guy. You know, you keep trying, maybe you'll be able to speak fluent Mexican before you know it. Now, some examples of this phrase can go a couple different ways. Saying chinga tu madre will be fuck your mother. But, you know, sometimes you got a little top into the end, you know what I'm saying? So a couple examples of this could include chinga tu madre, cabrón. Repeat after me, cabrón. Or something like chinga tu madre, pendejo. Or if you really want to be edgy, say something like chinga tu madre, chupa mi salchicha, which means suck my breakfast, weenie. Repeat after me. Chupa mi salchicha. Chupa mi salchicha. Which means suck my dick or suck my sausage. That's it for today's lesson, folks. Remember, don't get in trouble. Don't get me in trouble. And remember, folks, don't be racist. Racism is a crime, and crime is for black people. Well, that's it for this Spanish 101. We'll see you on the next one, and adios, folks.
It's Filthy Frank, motherfucker. It's Filthy Frank, bitch.
Let's get some pussy tonight.